Holy basil benefits. The most sacred plant mentioned in the Vedas is the holy basil, commonly known as tulsi in India. Holy basil is worshipped and regarded with the same respect as a goddess. Every religious event and ritual is pronounced with the leaves of holy basil, which is why holy basil is found in every Indian household and considered as a symbol of purity. Medical benefits. Tulsi is not only revered as a symbol of purity but also used as herbal remedy for treating mild infections and common cold. Furthermore, used as a stress reliever. Helps in treating kidney stone. Used for curing diabetes. Aids indigestion. Fresh leaves are used for bronchitis. Vastu benefits. The holy basil plant should be planted either in the east or north or in the northeast direction to gain vastu benefits. Tulsi plant's role in the vastu is highly regarded as it acts as a purifier. Hindus believe worshipping and taking care of the holy basil brings about positivity, wealth, success, and happiness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.